Who am I?
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be? Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like
It has been
on the run.
5 years now. I can't believe it. It seems like it was only yesterday. But, well, let's go up to the hill. I want to talk to you. It's been so interesting, but there's something I wanted to share with you. See, when your mother first adopted me, and she put her hand on my head, something appeared in my pocket. And I looked at it, and it was a little white pearl. And, sorry. And this pearl, after examining it, contains everything that is me right now. And I want you to have it. You have been such a big influence on my life that if anything ever happens to me, I want you to have this. That way you'll always be able to remember me and how I am. I don't know what's going to be coming in the future, but I know I need to protect you and Mom. It's that simple. There's nothing that will stop me to find out what happened and how I got here. But you two will always come first. And I just wanted you to have something in case something happens. I love you, little brother. Here. Now let's go count the stars.
But you've taken a chance on me.
Someone asked one question just recently, and it made me realize I didn't have an answer to this one. Maybe you all can help. I need to find a name. Something people can refer to me as. Instead of Lawnmower Girl. Oh, I love it. But what is my name? Who am I to all of you? I don't know, but I trust you. Okay, love y'all. I love it. Big Sis Selmor. Oh my gosh. I couldn't have picked a better name. Oh my. Lawnmower Girl, Big Sis Selmor. Absolute Maximus. I love you. Thank you. I will always forever be known as Big Sis Selmor. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Okay, Mom's not around. Have a cookie.